Hi guys, my name is Desiree. This is my fourth class at Widener, and I am excited to take this class. The last class I was in was Social Work 520, which was the research class, and it kicked my butt. I'm excited to move on to something a little bit different. I definitely enjoy learning the different aspects of interpersonal communication and the socioeconomic justice part of social work more than I enjoy the research part and conducting studies and stuff like that. Currently, I work at Child Protective Services in Delaware. That's my full-time job, and then sometimes part-time I am an EMT for a firehouse in my area. So that's pretty much takes up most of my time, but I do enjoy, doing self-care things, going to the beach, which is pretty close, and hanging out with friends and family and stuff like that. So I look forward to working with you guys, and let's have a good semester.